Hey guys, I went blueberry picking the other day, and it's one of those deals where you eat a basket and of course you pick a basket. And I decided, what am I going to do with all these blueberries? So I thought I would make this wonderful blueberry crumble, simple and easy. It came out incredible. So let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, to kick things off here, what I've got are 6 cups of fresh blueberries. And actually, we had a wonderful day and went blueberry picking, and let me show you a clip of that. Just a berry picker. Berry picking we go. Look at this. Now let's go ahead and add these into our baking dish. And of course I've washed and rinsed these. So we'll just go ahead and add half a cup of sugar to these berries just to sweeten them up. A tablespoon of cornstarch. And some lemon zest. And this is about a teaspoon. I don't know about you, but I just love the smell of lemon. After we have the zest, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lemon in half. Add in about a tablespoon or 2 of that wonderful fresh lemon. And what this does, it brings out the fruitiness of the berries, very similar to vanilla extract in chocolate. Just smells incredible. And of course a pinch, about half teaspoon of salt, just to bring out those flavors. Gently mix this together, and I say gently because I don't want to squish all those berries that I work so hard to pick. Oops, man overboard there. Okay, now it's time to make that easy and wonderful crumble. Starting with 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of rolled oats, and these are just regular oats, 1/3 cup of sugar, you can use brown or white here, and 6 tablespoons of cold cubed up butter. And you want this is unsalted butter, by the way, and you want it as cold as possible so you get that nice beautiful crumble. Then I'm going to take my pastry cutter. You can use your hands too. I just kind of like the pastry cutter and cut everything together. You could add a bit of cinnamon too, but I don't think cinnamon goes with blueberries, but you can be the boss. And you want a mixture something like this. This is about perfect, and see those good chunks of butter in there, guys? That's what you want. Okay, now it's simply a matter of taking that crumble mixture and sprinkling it over top of those yummy, yummy berries. Now we're just going to go ahead and slip this into a 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, guys, this smells absolutely delicious. It's done. You can see it's bubbly, it's crispy. Oh, this is going to be so good. Okay, let's get a scoop of this. Just look at this, guys. And there you have it, guys, our easy, scrumptious, and delicious, freshly picked blueberry crumble. You're gonna love it. And this would not be the same without a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. Okay, it's that wonderful time for the taste test. So I'm gonna grab up some crumble here. And a bit of ice cream. And just check this out. Absolutely remarkable. The perfect ultimate summertime treat. Okay, here we go. Without the word of a lie, guys, it is incredible. I love it. It's sweet, but it doesn't have that overpowering sweetness. The fresh blueberries just shine through. Believe me, that lemon really worked. And it's crispy, crumbly, whatever you want to call it. It is just absolutely wonderful. You got to make this. I'm going to have more. Yum. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. Like I always say, all kinds of cool stuff over there. And if you like what you saw, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.